Hello there. So, you want to know how you can sign up into a PayMe account on your mobile device? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch. So, with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, all you need to do is go ahead into App Store and simply search for PayMe just like that, and simply go ahead and download and install it and click on open. Once you've done that, you're going to be into this page right over here. Now it's going to go ahead and ask you a bunch of things. So simply go ahead and click on get, and then you're going to simply go ahead and tap on how, next, next, until you can go ahead and read all of this through. I just telling everything about PayMe, and it's also telling you how you can be making money and stuff like that. So simply go ahead and go through that. Now simply go ahead and enter your name and click on continue. Once you've done that, go ahead and select where you're based right over here, and simply go ahead and enter your age right over here. And now once you've done that, it's going to ask you for your gender as well, and then it's going to ask you which brands have you purchased in the last year. So I've done none of those, so none of those. How would you like to receive your payouts, bank accounts, and you can simply go ahead and check your finances daily. You can also go ahead and select what this is. So for example, I want to go ahead into that. And have you been in a car accident? No. Simply go through all of this process, right? And all you need to do is simply go ahead and choose your plan to go ahead and see your claim. That is it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.